Hello students, today I will explain you about the conjunctions. I'll discuss about the definition of conjunctions and its kind. So let us start first with the definition of conjunctions as what it means and how it helps in English grammar. So conjunctions are joining word. First of all, we have to understand what are conjunction. They are the word which joins, which help us to join. Okay, so they are used to join words, groups of words, phrases and sentences. So conjunction word help to join the words together, sometimes the group of words together, sometimes phrases in the clause, and sometimes together the sentences also. We have some examples also. So Ridhima bought a dress and a pair of shoes. So here we find, if you break this sentence, so it will be Ridhima bought a dress, Ridhima bought a pair of shoes. So in order to make a smaller, how we are doing, we are joining this two and make it into one. So here it is what and is a conjunction. In example B also you can see, would you like to carry an umbrella or would you carry a raincoat? Again it is the conjunction word or which is joining the two sense. You can understand, one for the umbrella and the other one for the raincoat. They are noun. Number C, you see, Dhruv cannot go out because the gate is locked. So here because is working or acting as a conjunction. This is a conjunction word because again this is joining the Dhruv cannot go out and the gate is locked. So this is what the a kind of a clauses or a phrase joined together. Now we will discuss about the kinds of conjunction also. But before that, some more examples I have for you. Let us once go with that. You just see. Example number 1, Rohit and Garima went to the market. Number 2, he is slow in work but careful. Number 3, she tried hard to explain but he refused to listen. Now I'll explain you all the three kinds of it which I have just written for you. Sentence 1, the conjunction and joins two nouns Rohit and Garima. Here you see Rohit and Garima went to the market. So and is what your conjunction. They are joining two nouns together. Number 2, sentence 2, the conjunction but joins two group of word slow in work but careful. Here you see slow in work, this is one phrase, and careful another word for you. So they are joined in this manner with the help of a conjunction. Okay. Number 3, you see she tried hard to explain but he refused to listen. So here what is happening, the but joins two independent clauses. So she tried to explain is one clause and he refused to listen is another clause. So here you can understand how the word conjunction word is helping to join the sentences or the group of word. Now we will go with the different kinds of a conjunction. So first is what your coordinating conjunction, second is your correlative conjunction, and third is your subordinating conjunction. We have the example also. These are the word. For example, in the coordinating conjunction we are using for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. These are the conjunction word which we use for the coordinating conjunction. The next one you see correlative conjunction. We have another set of words as, then you see both and either, or neither nor, not only but also, such that, such as, so that, so as, whether or. So they are the pair as. You can see these two are as, but they are it will be used as a pair. All right. Now subordinating conjunction, here also in the box it has been defined. These are the words which we use for this kind of a conjunction. What are they? After, although, because, before, how, if, once, since, then, that, though, till. So these are the different example given for the subordinating conjunction. Now I will explain you about the coordinating conjunction as exactly how to understand and what does it mean. So let us define first. So coordinating conjunctions join together sentences or clauses, words or group of words that are equally important. So here both the group of words will be important and the conjunction word will join together. For example, you can go there by bus. So one mode of vehicle is what? Bus, or take the flight. So here you can understand or is what your conjunction. This is what your coordinating conjunction, and both are what? The mode of vehicle. Both are equally important. So this is what the coordinating conjunction means. So a sense of having equally important the kind of a places we are just putting the this coordinating conjunction. Second number, you see, Megha is not available on Friday, nor will she be in town during the weekend. Again, here the two sets of phrases you can see that Megha is not available on Friday. This is one clause, and nor will she be here. So both the places you see we are talking about the day, that is your Friday, and the weekend. So both are equally important here. So the conjunction word is what? Nor. So coordinating conjunction include and, but, or, not, neither, for, yet, still, so, and so on. They are used to add one statement or fact to another. So this is what coordinating, they one part of the statement they coordinate the other part. This is how they help. Some more examples has been given for you in the book. When you go through all these example, it will be quite clear to you. Some example I will read for you also. For example, you see, and the bus arrived and the student got into it. So what happened here? The bus arrived, the student got into it. So one and the other one, the result is the coordinating each other. So this is how we have related the bus arrived and the student got into it. Okay, now it was cloudy and it started to rain. So again, one part of the sentence is again the result of the other one. You can see it was cloudy and it started to rain. It happened. So this is how we are using. Now both and he is both fit and active. Here both you can see fit and active is what? Adjective. Both. Okay, so here fit is also adjective, active is also your adjective. So here conjunction word and is joining to adjective. Next sentence, Nidhi gave me both the bangles and hair clip. Now what is here? The conjunction word is joining, that is and this and is being used to join the nouns together, that is your bangles and hair clips. So we can see the how the nouns are being joined with the help of a conjunction word. Now you see the next one, that is no less than. Okay, so he is no less brighter than his sister. So here again what happened, we have divided, and if you just break this statement, you will get that his sister is bright, he is equally bright. So here what conjunction word, that is the group no less and then, so together they are equally important. The brother is also important and the sister is also equally important in the sense of intelligence. So this is how we are using here no less than. She is no less attached to her grandmother than to her aunt. That means she loves to both the grandmother also and aunt. So in this case we can join in the both the sentence together by using no less and then. Now come to this as well as. So these are used as a pair. Ramesh as well as Sohan is hardworking. So here two noun, both the person are what? Hardworking, commonly or equally hardworking. Now next, Sarita as well as Geeta has left for school. Again we come to know that both of them, both the noun, here it is joined by what? Conjunction as well as. Now come to this not only but also. He not only brought toys but also balloons. So again the toys and balloons are equally important as a item of playing. So we have used the conjunction word not only and but also. Now come to the coordinating conjunction of contrast. Contrast means with the opposite result. Okay. For example, but we reached the ground on time, but the match started late. So accordingly, if the person goes late, so the things will get more later. But what happened? The things can like suppose if you go to the movie and the movie starting time is half an hour earlier, but when you go there and find no, the time the movie also got late according to you. So this is what it happens. Okay. So accordingly, the result never happened. This is what here we reached the ground on time, but the match started late. So though the person reached there on time, but the match should have started on time, but no, it was late. Now still and yet, Ria has all kind of dolls available in the market. Still or yet she wants more. So if she, here it is understood that if Ria is having maximum number of doll or more number of doll, she should not need it, but then also she wants more. So here it is a contrast. The result is what? Contrast. Nevertheless, we knew our team would lose. Nevertheless, we continue to cheer the team members. So in contrast, if we come to know that we are going to lose, then what happened? We become upset. But instead of being upset, the team, what they were doing, they were cheering up the team. So the result is what? Opposite. Now come to say this, whereas Mona prefers to coffee, whereas her sister prefer tea. So accordingly both should prefer coffee, but here there is a again a contrast. One is liking for the coffee and the other one like for the tea. So this is a contrast. Next is your only. I am fine. Only a little tense. So the person is trying to show if the person is fine, the person should appear happy. But in contrast, you see the person looks what? A little tense. So these all example, all these conjunction word we are using for the contrast cases. Now come to this coordinating conjunction of choice. When there are choices, how we just connect the sentences or a group of words. For example, or you must tell the truth or you will be in a great trouble. So the result may be a result. This is what choice, it's your choice. Either you say the truth or you just choose your trouble. So all other example, when you will go through, you will understand, like either or mother will either prepare noodles or a pasta. Again there is a choice between noodles and the pasta. Then neither nor, he is neither alert nor careful. No, so here again these two quality, so not even one of the quality belongs to this person. So he is neither alert nor careful. Now otherwise and else, get up otherwise you will be late for college. So here again this is the result for the act. So get up otherwise, again the choice is with you. If you get up properly you will be all right on time. If you get up late, so you will be late for college. So this is what the coordinating conjunction we have discussed. You will do the exercises and then you will understand. Now next is your correlative conjunction. For that also you have to first go to the definition. Conjunction used in pair are called correlative conjunctions. So you must understand here the conjunction words are used in pair. So correlative conjunction are used for joining either words or sentences. They appear as pair and are used to link equivalent sentences. For example, so that or either or. So you just see the example, then you will understand. The tsunami was so powerful that it destroyed the entire city. So here this part of this is directly related to the first part of the sentence. So tsunami was definitely powerful. So powerful means it was very powerful and the result can be seen accordingly. So here it is what relating this to the first part. That is why it is called correlating. You see the next one, either you complete the project or by tomorrow you leave the job. So if the person do not do the work, so the result will be what? That he has to or she has to leave the job. So relating the thing is can be seen here. Now no sooner did the bell ring then the teacher came to the class. So no sooner, that as soon as the bell ring and the teacher came. So this is what the result is there, or relating to the first part. No sooner did I open my umbrella than it started raining. Now although and yet, although she is very famous yet she is humble. So again this is what relating, yet is relating that accordingly if the person becomes famous, that person become a egoist and some kind of a feature develop. But then no, she was very humble. Although she is not well off, yet she helps the needy. So this is how relating to the first part. Some more example of the correlative conjunction, you can see both and Divya is both a dancer and a singer. So here what happened, Divya is a single person and but the quality, you can say this is what the dancer and the singer, here it is being for same person. So we are using what? A correlative conjunction, both and. Not only but also, he was a given not only a trophy but also a cash prize. So here it means apart from this trophy the person was additionally given a cash prize. So here we will use not only and but also. Now either or, either listen to my lecture or leave the class. So the choice is again here. So here it is also correlating it. This is why we are using either you listen to my lecture or leave the class. So there are some more examples, you please go through it. Now come to the subordinating conjunction. Here it is, you must remember about the clauses. We have discussed about the independent and the dependent clauses. So subordinating conjunction, a conjunction is used to connect group of words or two statement, one of which is dependent on the other is called a subordinating conjunction. So here you will see in a sentence, one part of the sentence is independent, it can stand without the other part, but the other one is totally depending, that is called subordinate conjunction. For example, after she learned to drive, Samiti felt more independent. If you just break this sentence, if you remove this part, first part, after she learned to drive, Samiti felt more independent, we can understand she is independent. But if you just write only this part, after she learned to drive, you will not be able to understand. That means it has to depend on this. Okay, so this is your subordinate and this is your independent clause. Nikita is happy because her sister is here. So subordinating conjunction include after, although, because, before, how, if, once, since. All these are the words. Okay, they are divided into different classes. Okay, now in sentence 1, for example, you see after she learned to drive is a subordinate clause because it cannot stand on its own. So after she learned, you cannot understand anything from this. It has to depend on this. Samiti felt more independent. So after is what? Subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction may be classified according to their meaning. Here you can see the noun clause, subordinating conjunction introducing noun clause. Certain subordinate conjunction are used to introduce particular type of subordinate clause. For example, that he said that he was going on an adventure trip. If you remove this part, first part, he said he was going on an adventure trip is your independent clause, and he said is what? Again your subordinating. So this word that is what? Just a kind of a conjunction which is helping subordinating clause to the independent one. Do you know that we have to pay the fees by tomorrow? I'm sure that he will come here. So this is how that is being used as a subordinating. It is helping the one part to relate to another. Now next is your if and whether. He asked me. If I remove this for other part, so what we understand with this? He asked me. Again, it had to depend on this part, the independent. If I had posted the letter, he wanted to know whether I liked the gift. So subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clauses. Now again you will come to know about the adverb clauses, how they are these subordinating conjunction is just grouping together the adverb clauses. For example, you see Komal looks is your, as if she is very upset. So here as if is what? In adverb cases it is joining here the two group of sentences. You see the conjunction introduces adverb clause of manner with as or as if, as though. They behaved as they had been taught. Okay, so now coming to the place, these conjunction use adverb clause of time with where and wherever. The dog followed the master wherever he went. Again he went, and the other part the dog followed the master. So wherever is the word which is joining the adverb clauses. So this is what we will understand with it. Some more example has been given to you in your book. Go through it and solve the exercises. Thank you.